We're back at the colorful three-door garage. Let's see what's behind the blue door. Oh look, it's a blue dump truck. This dump truck has a yellow bucket. Let's put this dump truck in front of the blue door. What's behind the white door? Don't be shy. Oh, look, it's a yellow wheel loader truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's put this truck back in front of the white door. Let's see what's behind the red door. Oh, look, it's a green and red cement maker truck. It's also black and yellow. Let's put the truck back in front of the red door. Before we go, we have to fill the trucks with gas. Let's start with the dump truck. Okay, dump truck. Next we have the wheel loader truck. The cement truck. Okay, now the construction vehicles are ready to go to its site. First, the dump truck. Vroom, vroom. And the wheel loader. Vroom, vroom. Finally, we have the cement mixer truck. Vroom. All loaded. Beep, 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 beep. We're all ready to go.